Hey guys, so I am finally here to share the details on this wig that you guys have been seeing all over Instagram. This wig is from Luhair, so let's jump right into it. This Brazilian bob curly wig again is from Luhair. The name of this wig is Lalita. It is a 14-inch curly wig with a pre-plucked hairline, and it has bleached knots. Now, I did go in and pluck my frontal a little bit more, and I did go in and add some powder to my stocking cap just to get the stocking cap to be a little bit more like my skin tone. I did also go in and re-bleach the knots, simply because I felt like this wig wasn't bleached completely and I still was able to see some of the black dots on the lace. So I just went on in and bleached the knots. And like I said, I did go in and pluck the hairline as well. Didn't have to do a whole lot of plucking, but I wanted to do my own plucking. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off and I'll be back. So of course you guys have seen me do this method on several of my videos that I have recently posted, where I just only glue down my sides and I apply an elastic band to this wig. So I apply the bowl hole glue, I don't know why I keep saying that, directly to my sideburns because my sideburns grow so freaking thick and so freaking fast. Honestly, and it's crazy to say this, but you know, if the glue does take out my sideburns, girl, they'll grow back like in a week, so it'll be okay. But I do not glue any other perimeter of my wig down besides these sideburns. So of course I am going to go ahead and take some of the baby hairs out and do some baby hairs on this wig, because I feel like with curly hair, baby hairs is a must. Like, it just looks more better. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Once I have my hairline the way I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and apply a head tie just around the edges of the wig. This is going to help lay the baby hairs, make everything kind of harden and mold into place. Basically, girl, do this step, okay? And then Luhair also comes with their own little headband, which I think is cute. So I'm going to use that for this video. I don't know if it comes with all of the wigs, but it would be a huge plus if it did, because you guys definitely can benefit from using this headband when tying down your wigs. So anyways, I am going to show you guys how this wig looks when it's wet. I do prefer the texture when it is completely dry. It just looks super duper bomb. So I'm going to be using the Noodle Head product for curly hair. This is their cream, and then once I get the hair saturated with this cream, I'm going to go in with the hairspray and then I'll be back. And this is what the wig looks like when it's pretty much saturated with product and it is wet. So you get more like a curly, wavy texture. However, this look is what I prefer. Like, I love this curly, big look that the wig gives once it is dry. So this is the look that I will always love with this wig. Now, I did review a wig similar to this from OMG Queen, except for the curls was a little bit more tight, a little bit more defined. Now, with this wig, it's more so of loose, big curls, and I freaking love it. If you like volumized hair, but you don't like your hair to be too big, this is the perfect curly wig. Y'all, I love this wig, and the best thing about it is under $190. All purchasing information will be below. I promise you will not regret buying this wig. It's super bomb.